Rahul participates in 100 meters race at his school. While running, he falls down and hurts himself. Blood oozes out of the wound for a while and then clots. His curiosity is aroused. He wants to know how it happened. Blood is a fluid that is essential for our survival. It carries oxygen and nutrients to body parts. It also carries waste away from body parts for removal. Blood consists of blood cells floating in a fluid called plasma. Plasma is yellow in color. 90% of it is water. Besides water, plasma contains hormones, proteins, glucose, and carbon dioxide. There are 3 types of blood cells: red blood cells, RBCs, white blood cells, WBCs, and platelets. RBCs are also known as erythrocytes. They are disc-shaped. They contain a protein called hemoglobin, which is rich in iron and gives the blood its red color. Hemoglobin transports oxygen to different parts of the body. WBCs are also known as leukocytes. They come in many different shapes. They produce antibodies to fight the germs entering the body. Platelets. Platelets are also known as thrombocytes. They are oval in shape. They facilitate the clotting of blood.